The holidays are the perfect time to bring warmth, creativity, and a personal touch to your home decor. Whether you're hosting a festive dinner or simply want to add a little cheer to your space, DIY projects can transform your environment without breaking the bank. This year, why not step away from traditional decorations and add your own creative flair with a few simple hacks? From upcycled materials to unique handmade ornaments, get ready to make this season special with easy, budget-friendly DIY holiday decor ideas that will impress your family and friends. One of the most rewarding aspects of DIY holiday decor is that you can create beautiful pieces while reducing waste. The first hack focuses on upcycling and using items you already have at home. Have you ever looked at an old sweater and thought, that would make a great wreath? Well, it can. Using an old sweater, some wire, and a hot glue gun, you can easily create a cozy, textured wreath for your front door. The wool texture will add a soft, festive touch that looks store-bought, but is completely unique to your home. Another great upcycling project involves wine corks. If you're someone who enjoys a glass of wine or two over the holidays, don't throw those corks away. You can use them to create ornaments, garlands, or even a chic cork centerpiece. Simply glue them together into a shape of your choice, paint them with a festive hue, and voila! This simple and eco-friendly hack adds a personal touch and a bit of charm to your space. Also, don't overlook your cardboard boxes. With a bit of creativity, those boxes can be transformed into rustic gift boxes, festive lanterns, or even a snowman family. The beauty of upcycled decor is that you get to express your personality while also helping the environment. Don't let anything go to waste, everything has potential when it comes to crafting. If these DIY holiday decor hacks inspired you to get creative this season, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love making their homes festive with DIY projects. Bringing nature inside during the holidays can instantly elevate the look and feel of your home. Natural elements are not only environmentally friendly, but they can also add warmth and texture to your space. One creative DIY hack is to gather pine cones, twigs, and berries from your backyard to create a rustic holiday garland. Stringing them together with twine and hanging them along your fireplace mantle or draping them over your windowsill will add an earthy vibe to your decor. If you have a garden, you can use evergreen branches to make your own wreaths or table centerpieces. Just trim the branches to size and arrange them in a circular shape, tying them together with a sturdy wire. You can even add dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, or small bells to create a festive look. This project not only brings the outdoors in but also fills your space with natural fragrances, making your home smell like the holidays. Additionally, an easy outdoor decor hack involves using string lights creatively. Instead of just wrapping them around trees or hanging them from the eaves, why not place them in mason jars or glass lanterns for a charming outdoor lighting feature? The soft glow will create a cozy ambience, and you can easily move the lights around to different areas of your porch or yard, depending on where you want to create the most impact. Which DIY holiday hack are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your holiday creations and how you're using these ideas in your home. A great way to make your holiday decor truly one of a kind is by adding personalized touches. From custom ornaments to handcrafted stockings, there are endless possibilities to make your decor reflect your unique style. Try crafting your own ornaments by painting wooden slices or using air-dry clay to create festive designs like stars, snowflakes, or reindeer. For a more personal touch, you can use photographs to create a memory tree. Simply print out photos of loved ones and attach them to ribbons or strings to hang from your tree or mantle. This simple and heartfelt hack creates a warm atmosphere while celebrating the people you love most. Another personalized idea is to make your own DIY holiday banners or signs. Using scrap wood or canvas, you can create custom holiday sayings or greetings. For example, a hand-painted sign reading, "Home for the Holidays," can serve as a welcoming addition to your entryway. Crafting your own banners and signs lets you experiment with different colors, fonts, and messages to suit your style. For more DIY tips and creative holiday decorating ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest festive videos. If you're pressed for time and want to add some DIY magic without spending a lot of money, there are plenty of quick and affordable ideas. One such hack is making your own ornaments using salt dough. Simply mix flour, salt, and water to form dough, then roll it out and cut it into festive shapes like stars, angels, or Christmas trees. Once baked and painted, these ornaments will add a charming handmade touch to your tree. Another quick and budget-friendly project is creating a faux snow effect on your windows. Use cotton balls or batting and glue them along your windowsills to create a snow-covered look. You can also make paper snowflakes and hang them from the ceiling or in the windows for a delicate, wintry touch. These DIY projects are simple, low-cost, and add a magical feel to any room. Lastly, a quick way to spruce up your table settings is by making your own DIY napkin rings. You can use twine, pine cones, or even small ornaments to create personalized napkin rings for each guest. A small, thoughtful detail like this can elevate your dinner table without much effort. Check out our Christmas decor playlist for more DIY projects, from upcycled decorations to simple and affordable ideas for making your home look merry and bright this holiday season. DIY holiday decor isn't just about saving money, it's about creating an environment that feels uniquely yours. Whether it's by upcycling materials you already have, incorporating natural elements from outside, or personalizing your decorations, DIY projects give you the freedom to express your creativity in a way that store-bought decor simply can't. These hacks don't just transform your home, they add a sense of warmth and joy, making the season feel extra special. Every project, no matter how simple, carries with it the love and care that you've poured into it. There's something incredibly satisfying about crafting pieces that reflect your personality, bringing a little bit of magic into every corner of your home. As the holidays unfold, these DIY decor ideas will be there to make memories, to create moments of joy, and to bring your family closer together. So, this year, let your creativity shine and fill your space with the charm of homemade decor. Explore more of our videos for easy and fun DIY projects, from ornaments and wreaths to table settings and holiday crafts, perfect for adding a personal touch to your decor. When you take the time to craft your own decorations, the entire experience becomes more meaningful. It's more than just about creating a beautiful space, it's about building memories with your loved ones, sharing the joy of crafting, and feeling a sense of pride every time you look at a handmade ornament or wreath. These personal touches will add so much more value to your holiday season. Incorporating DIY decor also brings a refreshing sense of uniqueness to your home. Each handmade piece holds a story and will remind you of the joy and creativity that went into its creation. These projects allow you to blend the old with the new, using materials in unexpected ways and turning them into something beautiful. As you continue to craft and decorate your space, it's important to remember that perfection is not the goal. The holiday season is about embracing the imperfections and enjoying the moments as they unfold. Whether it's a slightly crooked wreath or a glittery ornament that doesn't quite shine the way you expected, these little quirks will only add to the charm and authenticity of your holiday decor. By choosing to create instead of buy, you're not only saving money, but you're also contributing to a more sustainable way of decorating. With eco-friendly options, recycled materials, and upcycled projects, your holiday decor can be both beautiful and mindful of the environment. Ready to try these DIY holiday decor hacks? Head to the description for links to the supplies and materials featured in today's video. There's no better time than the holidays to embrace the values of sustainability and creativity. Finally, as you look around your home filled with DIY holiday decor, you'll feel the satisfaction of knowing you've made your space your own. Each decoration tells a story, from the pinecone garland you created to the hand-painted ornaments on your tree. These handmade touches don't just brighten your home, they bring an added layer of meaning, making your celebrations even more special. These DIY holiday decor ideas are all about making your space feel cozy, inviting, and full of personality. Let the spirit of creativity guide you as you continue to fill your home with joy, laughter, and the warmth of homemade decorations.